Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Epic template in Jira Cloud. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, it's important to know that while Jira offers some built-in functionality for templates, these options can be limited. That's why creating your own customized Epic template is the best way to ensure all your projects are handled consistently and professionally. Start by creating a new Jira issue with the Epic issue type. Simply click on Create at the top, and then make sure issue type is set to Epic. This will act as the foundation for your template. Fill in all the necessary details that you want to appear every time you use this template. Next, if your epics usually include multiple child issues such as stories or tasks, you can create them within this epic. You can add them either as subtasks or linked issues, depending on how your workflow is structured. Once your epic and related issues are set up, it's time to turn it into a reusable template. Jira doesn't have a native template feature for epics, but you can easily achieve this by cloning or copying your completed epic. To do this, open the epic, click on the three dots option. From the menu, choose Clone. This action creates a new epic that contains all your pre-filled details and linked issues. After cloning, you can update any information that's specific to the new project. For example, changing deadlines, descriptions, or task owners. And that's it. So that is how you can create Epic template in Jira Cloud. So that's all for this video. Thanks.